Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into Android customization to bring your phone's startup experience to a whole new level. We're going to show you how to install some truly awesome custom boot animations for June 2025 using the power of a Magisk module. Tired of the same old, boring boot logo every time you power on your device? Imagine booting up your phone to the elegant and futuristic flair of a Harmony OS animation, the iconic and beloved Android robot mascot coming to life, or even the explosive power of a Goku transformation from Dragon Ball Z. We've handpicked 3 fantastic, high-quality options for you today, and they're all super easy to install. Now, before we jump into the steps, let's talk about what makes this process so straightforward. Magisk. If your phone is rooted and you have Magisk installed, you're already halfway there. These boot animations come packaged as simple Magisk modules, which means installation is virtually plug and play. However, there's a crucial point to remember. While Magisk makes things incredibly easy, this module might not work on all custom ROMs. Some heavily customized ROMs or those with strict security policies may prevent changes to the boot animation. So, if you encounter any issues, don't worry, it might just be a ROM-specific limitation. But for the vast majority of you running popular custom ROMs or stock-based setups, this should work flawlessly. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the installation process. It's incredibly straightforward, so follow along closely. First things first, make sure you've downloaded your preferred boot animation Magisk module from the links in the description. Once that's done, open up your Magisk Manager application. Once Magisk Manager is open, you'll see a few options at the bottom. Tap on the modules icon. In the modules section, you'll see a plus icon or an option like Install from Storage or Install from Internal Storage. Tap on this. Now, navigate to the folder where you downloaded the boot animation Magisk module. Once the flashing is complete, you'll be presented with the crucial step, Reboot. Tap on that to restart your phone, and there you have it. As your phone reboots, prepare to be greeted by your brand new custom boot animation in all its glory. How cool is that? We hope you enjoyed this quick and easy guide to personalizing your Android device even further. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Android customization tips, rooting guides, and tech content. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy customizing!